Welcome to the WP Training Kit video number 5, How to Change Your Name Server. In this video tutorial, we are going to explore step-by-step instructions to change the name server quickly and easily. So let's get started. So back to GoDaddy.com. Here we are again going to sign in with this Sign In button. Enter your username and password and click on this Sign In button. So here we are on our My Products page. Here we can see our purchased domains, and on the right there's a Manage button. Click on it. On this top menu bar, click on this DNS option and choose this Manage Zones from this drop-down list. It will take us to DNS Management page. Here on this Insert Your Domain Name, it's already showing. Select it from here. Now, scroll down a little bit. Here you'll see your name servers. Here we have 2 default name servers. Now we are going to click on this Change button and select Custom. Below, you can manually enter your name servers here. Fill up both the boxes like we are doing here and click on this Add Name Server button. You can delete the extra boxes if you don't need them like this. So after adding, click on this Save button here and your name server will be changed successfully. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to have a complete and detailed cPanel introduction. See you in the next video tutorial. Welcome to the WP Training Kit video number 6, cPanel Introduction. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn everything about cPanel, what it is, and its options. So let's get started. Here, we're on the cPanel homepage. You can see different options and sub-options here, like Files, Databases, next is Domains, Metrics, then Software, Security, Email, Web Applications, Preferences, Change Style, and Advanced. Now here on the right, it's showing useful metrics and data. There are statistics. Inside this, you can see MySQL databases, your physical memory usage, number of processes, add-on domains, and pretty much everything. On top of it, there's general information. Inside there is Theme. You can select your theme from here. They have sub-options in every category. Here on the top right, we can set our account. From this drop-down menu, you can set account preference, language style. Click on this account preference, and here is the setting page with various options. Select this top left, and the notification is showing in the top left corner. Similarly, with top center and top right, you can also choose bottom options here, like this bottom right. You can change out more settings from here, or you can log out. Let's go back to the home page. Below, there's User Manager option. Click on it. You'll see all the users here, with email account, FTP, and web disk info. You can add a new user from this button. We are going back to the home page. Here you'll see sub-option, File Manager. Open it up. Here we can see all the directories. Open up this public HTML. Inside it, we can see all our files and folders. Click on this Up One Level button to take a step back. Again, on the home page. And that's pretty much everything about cPanel. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we're going to learn about how to create an email account using cPanel. See you in the next video tutorial. Welcome to the WP Training Kit video number 7, Creating Email Account from cPanel. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn step by step how to create an email account from cPanel. Let's get started. So here we are again on the cPanel homepage. Scroll down below and you'll see Email here. Now you can create your email account from here. Click on this Email Accounts. It's opening with redirection. Here it is. This will let you create and manage your email account. You can create a new one from here. Click on it. Insert your preferred username here, like admin. Next, create a strong password now. Below, you can set your storage space here, higher or lower, or there is an option to choose unlimited here. Selecting this checkbox will enable you to get a welcome email with instructions. Then, click on Create. So here we have created our account and it is showing right here on the top. Now click on this Checking Mail. It's logging you in, and here we are choosing RoundCube Webmail Application. Click on it. We are logged in our mail account. This is our interface. Here is our email ID from which we are operating this. And all the options are here with inbox, sent, junk, trash, etc. On top, there's Refresh and Compose button. Click on it. For sending a new mail, here the panel opens. Insert receiver's mail ID with the subject. Write the mail body, and on top, there's a Send button to send your mail. That's pretty much everything with email setup. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we're going to learn how to install WordPress manually on your site. See you in the next video tutorial. Welcome to the WP Training Kit video number 8, Installing WordPress Manually. In this video tutorial, we are going to explore step-by-step instructions about how to install WordPress manually on your site. So let's get started. Let's go to Google and search WordPress.org. This is the WordPress official page, and get WordPress from here. Click on it. And on this page, there's a download option. Click on this Download WordPress button. The zip file is downloaded. On our cPanel homepage, go into the File Manager, and then inside Public HTML. It's empty, and we have gotten an Upload button on the top here. Click on it, and then select our downloaded WordPress zip folder to upload it. So the uploading has started. It may take a few minutes. Once finished, click on this Go Back option, and we'll be back in this public HTML folder. Inside, it's showing our uploaded zip folder. Extract the files from this Extract button. After completion, close this pop-up box. So here is the extracted folder, and inside it, there are all the files and folders. Select all the files, and on right-click, choose the Move option. Remove this WordPress from the last as we want it to be directly in public HTML. So click on this Move File button. Get one step back from this Up One Level button. And all the files have been moved successfully here in this public HTML folder. Now, there's no need for this zip folder, so we will delete it. Select the zip folder and click on this Delete button and confirm your action. Now we will need this wp-config-sample file. Right-click and choose Rename. Now we have to remove this dash and sample word here, and click on Rename. So here is our file. Choose it, and choose Edit option from above. Click on this Edit button. The source file is open for you to edit, and it requires your database name, username, and password. For this, go back to the cPanel homepage. Inside Databases, there's MySQL Database Wizard. Open it up. For creating database, we need a new database name. Then, next step. We need to create database users. Select a username and a strong password. Then, click on this Create User button. Next, add a user to the database. Select All Privileges and then click on Next Step. The confirmation message appears that user is added to the database. Let's get back to our source file, and we can now fill in the details here. Database name should be what we have created along with the same created username and password. Write everything on their respective places. And then click on this Save Changes button. On Google, enter your domain name and insert /wp-admin/install.php. The link is already showing, so open it up. So we are now on WordPress login page. Select your language and press Continue. There are additional details required, like your site title, and enter it here. Then choose a username and password. Then enter your email address, and no need to select this checkbox. So all set, and click on this Install WordPress button. So here is our confirmation page. Our account is created successfully. Let's log in from this button. Enter your username and password here, and click Log In. So here we are. This is our WordPress dashboard, and you can see a welcome message here. It's all done. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn how to install WordPress in cPanel. See you in the next video tutorial. Welcome to the WP Training Kit video number 2, How to Buy Domain Name Part 2. It is a continuation video of Part 1, and in this video, we are going to complete our payment process and learn how to successfully purchase a domain name step by step. Let's continue. So now we are going to log into our PayPal account with PayPal email ID and password, and then click on Login button. It's loading my PayPal account, and here on top, it's showing me my exact billing amount. By default, PayPal account is already selected. So we are going to click on the Continue button. It is once again asking for our confirmation here. We are going to click on this button. Now we are back on GoDaddy's checkout page, and here in the right bottom, it is showing Complete Purchase button. Click on it. It will take a moment. So here a pop-up appeared, confirming our purchase. They have emailed us the receipt on our mail ID, which we have inserted during checkout. Here it is. Now we have to log into our given email account. It's my Gmail ID here, so I'll go to my Gmail login page. Here I will enter my Gmail ID and password and press Enter. As we can see, we've got an email from GoDaddy regarding our purchase. So let's open it, and here you can see they have provided us the details of our purchase with an option to view full receipt and an Access to Purchase button. Click on it. It will take us to our account on GoDaddy. Here it is showing us our purchase domain name and some additional details regarding it, confirming our purchase completion. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will show you step by step how to buy hosting for your domain name. See you in the next video tutorial.